Hi everyone, welcome back to the Drew Decor channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a proper cup of tea. Don't listen to anybody else because they'll get it wrong. This is the correct way on how to make a Yorkshire cup of tea. Okay, all you're going to need is a mug, a Yorkshire tea bag, not Tetley or PG Tipper or like that, it's got to be Yorkshire. Pop that in. You're going to need a teaspoon milk. You can either go, what's this, whole milk, semi-skimmed. Don't go for the red top stuff, it's pointless. And obviously a kettle of boiling water. So I'll just get that going, get that boiling, and once that's boiling I can pour it directly onto the tea bag. Right, there we go. Now that has been poured to about 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters from top. All right, you don't want to overfill it, and you don't want to be getting any daft mugs either, or cups. You don't want a massive mug, because that's just going to make it taste not very nice, or a cup. You want a proper good size mug. Right, now once that's poured, you've noticed I've not touched the tea bag. I'm going to leave that to settle and mash for about 4 minutes. All right, so I'm going to give that 4 minutes and I'm going to get back to you. Right, welcome back. So 4 minutes, time's up. So what you want to do now, I've not touched this tea bag at all, it's just been in there for 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just lightly stir and then gently just get it to the side, nice and gentle, and just a gentle squeeze, a couple of gentle squeezes, and then take it out, and you can see there's no water dripping off that. That's, you know, how it should be. And I'm going to get rid of that tea bag now. So now you've got your tea, it's been mashed. We just need to add some milk. You shouldn't be putting milk in before, so now is the time to put the milk in. You want to start stirring it to get it going, and then pour your milk in gently. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That, as you can see, I'll show you in a minute, the colour is perfect. You don't want it too dark, you don't want it too light, all right? You just want that in-between colour. So I'm going to show you in a minute. And that is how to make a perfect Yorkshire cup of tea. Now, just to summarise, tea bag, Yorkshire tea, in mug, boiling hot water, pour it on, a couple of centimetres from top. Leave it to mash for 4 minutes, that is essential. Gently squeeze the tea bag, take it out. Stir your tea, add the milk, bit at a time, nice and slowly. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Now obviously it's going to be boiling hot at this point, so give it a few minutes to settle and it'll be ready to go. Enjoy your tea. Now, if you've liked this video or you found it helpful or even life-saving, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.